How's your knitting confidence? Are there new techniques you'd like to try but worry about getting in a muddle? My name's Jen Arnall-Culliford, and together with my husband Jim, we publish books to give your knitting a boost. Whether you have a particular technique that you're keen to try, or you just want to upgrade your skills in general, we have books and yarn to guide you on your knitting adventure. It doesn't matter whether you've been knitting 5 weeks, 5 years, or even 5 decades, there is always something new to learn. Each pattern in our books is accompanied by photo and video tutorials to walk you through everything you need in order to master a technique. The designs are created by some of the world's best knitting pattern designers, and they're the sorts of things that I would want to knit. We also have a lively Ravelry group where you can join knit-alongs with other friendly and supportive knitters who are always happy to share their knowledge and skills. Our best-selling title is A Year of Techniques, which includes 12 designs to teach you new skills, from jogless helical stripes, like in these little arm warmers, and you can't see where the round starts or ends, to intarsia and a magic cast-on method for toe-up socks. This book is like a tasting platter of techniques, and the projects are all accessories, so you don't have to invest too much time or yarn, and you can just cast on with confidence in learning something new. Our other print books are Boost Your Knitting, which follows the same format as A Year of Techniques with 12 designs and new techniques to learn. And then we have Something New to Learn About Lace and Something New to Learn About Cables, which really dive deep into those methods. And each of these books contains a whole chapter on how to fix mistakes in those methods, which is really the secret to becoming a more confident knitter. Do click the link above here to visit our website, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the round button just down in this corner to be sure of catching our next video tutorial. There's always something new to learn, and here at Arnall-Culliford Knitwear, we're going to help you on your way. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye bye.